Hey everyone, so the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still a months away, but the leaks are already crazy. Today in this video, I will talk about the two big changes that really stand out. And honestly, this could make the Galaxy S26 Ultra feel like something completely new. So the first feature is all about privacy. You know, when you're in public, maybe on in a bus or in a cafe, and people can kind of peek at your phone screen, right? Samsung is working on a new Magic Pixel display that solves this problem in a really smart way. It is quite similar to that privacy glass screen protector. So basically the screen uses AI to adjust itself, only you can see it clearly. If someone is sitting next to you, they will just see a blurry or a dark display. Or even they try to look over your shoulder. Imagine checking your bank account or reading private messages without worrying about a stranger speaking. So that's a basic idea over here. And the best part about this is that it is automatic. The phone can turn this privacy mode on when you open apps like WhatsApp, banking or emails. So now no need for those ugly screen protectors anymore. It is all built in right into the phone's display. Now the second is about the display itself. The Samsung is rumored to use something called COE display technology. Now I won't get technical, but basically it makes the screen thinner, brighter and more battery friendly. Now because of this, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could actually be slimmer than before, maybe under the 7mm. That means you will get a lighter phone in your hands, but still with crazy brightness and sharpness. It is one of those upgrades you will notice every single day without even thinking about it. Better colors, better battery and sleeker design. So these were the two big changes to look forward: a privacy screen that only shows your content to you, a slimmer display, brighter COE display that makes the phone feel next level. Now I am curious, what do you think is cooler, the privacy screen or the new slim design? Drop your answer in the comment section below, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.